Hello dosto, welcome you all in my YouTube channel friends. So friends, you know you, I know you are preparing for the AWS Cloud Practitioner. You are as a beginner, so I have creating this playlist for you friends. So friends, I have already discussed the 16 questions in the previous video, and I will also mention in the comment box, sorry, in the description box. Now move on the next friends, we will see the question number of the 17. Okay, so question number 70 is telling a company wants to migrate a critical application to the AWS. Application has to short runtime. The application is invoked by the change in data or by shift in system state. The company needs to compute the system that maximize the operational efficiency and minimize the cost of running the application. Question is telling which AWS solution should be company use to meet these requirements. Which one option? If you would like to any answer, it will be correct. So do the comment with the time stamp. I will be give you one heart. Okay. So I will. So what will the answer? So answer it will be AWS Lambda. You know the Lambda is a serverless. With the example, with the explanation here, AWS Lambda is the serverless compute service that allows to running code is response to event or triggers without the needs to manage or the provision server. So you can see the images here, though you know the ordering request and also response the order request. All right, here the Lambda server using there. Now move on the next print and we will see the question number 18. All right, which AWS service or features allow users to connect with the deploy AWS service programmatically? Which one? If you know, so do the comment, otherwise I will tell you answer. All right friends. Okay, so what will you answer? Answer it will be AWS Software Development Kit, SDK. Okay, how it can be possible? So let's see the explanation of the question. AWS SDK are the collection of the software development tools and the libraries that enables the developers to build the applications that interact with the AWS services using the popular programming languages like Java, Python, .NET, Node.js, Ruby and many other languages. So you know the friends, what will the answer? Answer it will be AWS Development Kit, AWS Software Development Kit, right? Now move on the next question number of 19. A company plan to create the data lake that use Amazon S3. Which factor will have to most effective on the cost? Which one will be friends? Here the given have the 4 examples. First one is a selective of the S3 storage triggers, and the second one is the charges to transfer the existing data into Amazon S3, the addition of the S3 bucket policies, S3 engaged fees for each request. So if you know the answer, do the comment friends. Okay, answer it will be right, the selection of the S3 storage triggers. Now move on the next and we will see the explanation here. So Amazon S3 offers the different storage classes or triggers such as the standard, the frequent access, okay, infrequent access, and Glacier with the very pricing and features. You know the Glacier is the storage facility, giving the storage facility. Okay, so S3 is also provide the storage facilities. Now move on the next and we will see the question number 20. A company is launching an e-commerce application that must always be available. Yeah, right, always should be available. That's why anyone can be ordered the use the applications. The application will be run on the Amazon EC2 instance continuously for the next 12 months. What is the most effective instance purchasing option that meets these requirements? Which one it will be, right? It will be saving plan. All right, now move on the next and we will see the explanation of that. To ensure that the e-commerce application is always available and run continuously on the Amazon EC2 instance for the next 12 months, and the most cost effective instance purchasing the option that meets the requirements is saving the plan is option number B is right, saving plans. Now move on the next friend, question number 21. Which AWS service or features can a company use to determine which business unit is using the specific AWS resources? Which one? Option number A, cost allocation tags. Now move to the next and we will see the explanation of the friends. Cost allocation tags are the metadata labeled that a company can apply the AWS resources such as the EC2 instance, S3 buckets, and RDS relational database system and databases to categorize them, to track and use the cost across the different business units, applications, environments, or the projects. All right, now move to the next friends, question number 21. A company wants to migrate its workload to AWS, but it lacks of the expertise in AWS Cloud computing. Which AWS service or features will help the company with its migration? Which one, friends? Because friends, this company wants to distribute out the workload. Who will be tell? AWS consulting partners. They will be help, and which type of the plans I will show you in the next slide. If a company lacks expertise in the AWS cloud computing and wants to migrate its workloads to AWS, the AWS service or the features that can help the company with the migration is the AWS consulting partners. Option number B is right. You can see here the given the different types of the partnerships. Thanks for this watching video, friends, and in the next I will show you the question number 23 in the next video. It will become. Thanks for this watching.